What's up everyone, this is Team WS channel and in this video we are going to fix Dota 2 hang detected error in workshop tools. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix this, you just open stream and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry